So there's stocks and bonds, but there's actually this third category called alternatives. Let's dive into REITs, private equity, and commodities and see if they play a role in your investment strategy. I'm Victoria. I'm a certified financial planner professional, not self-taught. So alternatives are kind of the side dish to your main course, which is stocks and bonds. They don't make up the entire meal, and honestly, they probably shouldn't, but they can add flavor and variety to your portfolio, helping you manage risk and hopefully boost returns. Number one, REITs, or real estate investment trusts. Think of REITs like a group project in real estate. Instead of you going off and buying a whole building, you invest in a REIT, which pools a bunch of investors' money together to buy and manage properties. REITs give you exposure to real estate's potential for growth and income with having way more liquidity than actually owning the property outright. Number two, private equity. I actually had an interview in college for a summer internship and they asked me what private equity was and I had no idea, so I just made up the answer. I did not get that job. Private equity is kind of like buying a fixer-upper car. You fix it up yourself and you sell it for a profit. Instead of buying stocks at public companies, private equity is buying private companies and helping them grow and improve. After a few years of work, their goal is to sell those companies for a profit, giving their investors a big return. It's really high risk, which means it has the really high potential for reward if you're patient and the company you invested in so happens to take off. Lastly, commodities. Commodities are things like gold, oil, and crops. Yes, like literal corn or soybeans. These are generally raw materials that the world just runs on. Investing in commodities is like having a stake in these essential resources. They can be used as a hedge against inflation and economic downturns. Adding a little spice with alternatives like REITs, private equity, and commodities can help balance out your portfolio. I will say it's a bit of an advanced investment strategy, so please be sure to do your research or talk to a professional before you get into alternatives. If you're done with the clickbait, sensationalistic money hacks and you just want to know what regular people do for a really long time with their money, follow my page. I've been in the finance industry for 7 years and I draw from my experience in working with thousands of people, and I can actually teach you what works.